super sketchy crevasse. All right, my normal 6:30 a.m. weekend alarm just went off. So got a lot done. I've been moving and grooving before I normally wake up. I'm here at the crevice still. Inspected a couple routes up. I tried to do the body pinch to get up in here. A little too sketchy for me. I can see how high I'm up. Again, the saddle up there, not far away. I'll probably be there in a half an hour. And having some fun, doing some rock scrambling now. Beautiful out this morning. Again, the birds are chirping. And feeling good. Altitude's not affecting me too much. I feel it a little bit, but this is the first time I've day hiked. Lighter load than normal. Definitely helps. The lighter weight keeps the body fresh. I'm probably at getting close to, I don't know, 7,500 to 8,000 feet, and still feeling good. Now that there is some snow. Feels a little warm for some snow, but I guess right around here in the shade. A little bit packed here and a lot of bit packed there. Makes my job easier. I don't gotta carry much water, because if need be, melt me a little ice and go chew on it like a snow cone. Yeehaw! All right, it's 7 o'clock on the dot. I am at the saddle, and it's beautiful out. Not a whole lot of people. Just encountered my first folks along the way, and took the split off of the trail from Saddle Junction, and now headed toward San Jacinto Peak, baby. We're at about 9,000 feet, moving and grooving, making great time. I got a lighter pack than I ever have up here. There not being snow on the ground helps with speed and ability to make great time. And as anticipated, there's a little bit of snow up here, which is cool. All right, nice little creek right here. Going up the valley that way. Whoa, big old pine trees there. Well, this is cool. Apparently I've entered Narnia. Wowza. All right, shh. Don't want to scare them off. I've come up on a pack of wild pine cones. They're congregating close together for some reason. Amazing, amazing. Never seen anything like it before. Wellman's Divide. I assume it's been named by this divides the Wellman, the man who is well, the woman who is well versus the unwell. 9,700 feet is high, baby. All right, we're back on track. I got a little lost in the rock scrambling there for a bit. I thought I was closer to the top than I was. So scrambled on those rocks pretty much for the last half hour, for not. I was going basically straight up when I was supposed to switch this way and then switch back. And the peak is up there. Very pretty. You can see quite a bit of snow still, sprinkled here and there. And other than a couple tiny spots, I mean, the one place that, look at that, the one place that I basically had to go off the trail because of the snow, the trail's been pretty well marked. You can see, you know, pretty hard to miss it when you're on it. Lots of trees and rocks laying down on the side to lead the trail. Getting close, I'm over 10,000 feet. Rocking and rolling, baby. All right, made it to the peak. Woohoo! It's 3:15, back in the car. Mission accomplished, baby. It wasn't easy. Woo! But wow, I made it. Time to grub and go have a cold one. San Jacinto, it's a beautiful place.